Do you want to see a cool teacher's website? Check this out. I want to tell you about this website called Liveworksheets. Liveworksheets. What is cool about it? It is the fact that it gives you worksheets which are self-correcting, and there is an option that is free right now. All the options are free on the website. I've been using it all year this year. So the website will allow you to create a group of students. I just played with it to do that, and you will have folders that we call workbooks. And these are some of the folders that I've created all year. So when I click on one, last something, I'm a French teacher, by the way. I click on one, you will see the worksheet that I put in that folder, like this one. So you will see all the worksheet that I put in that folder. But how does it work? First, after you create the student group, what you will do is you create a folder, you upload assignment. When I say upload, it means you can find all kind of assignment on here. So any assignment that is related to your objective of the day, or any assignment that is related to your standard or whatever you're taking for that day, you can choose it, and you have the options to assign it to student the way it is, or you have the option to edit it. And when the students are done, they don't have to do anything. In the bottom of each folder, you will see a lot of options. One of the options is to show student result. When I click on it, you will see the grade that the student received with the assignment. So they are all self-correcting, okay? And it's possible that you can adjust those grades based on what the student did. Okay, so for example, I'm a French teacher. Sometimes you might not count the accent mark on top of the word as a mistake, but since that's how it has been set up, the computer or the system will mark it wrong. And if you feel like, oh, the student should have received a correct, a right 1 point for this grade, so you can click on here, change grade. And suppose I want to change that 9.3 to a 10. So I click Save Changes. It's very cool, right? I love it. And I think as a teacher, you guys should explore these lab worksheets. You will love it as well. And this lab worksheet is available for all school subjects, grade level. Okay, for example, let's see, I want a math assignment that is related to my objective or my standard. So I can type multiplication. These are all the options that I have. Okay, I can choose any assignment that I deem appropriate to my level or my objective or my standard. And what we do is I usually put it in the workbook. You can even download the file, embed it, or add it to Google Classroom for those who want the parents to see what the students are doing. I usually add it to my workbook. When I click add to workbook, it will pop up. And let me add it to Liveworksheets, for example. This is just an example. Okay. So I will go back to my workbook. So the workbook where I uploaded the assignment is called Liveworksheets. Here is the worksheet. So every time that you put a new assignment in the folder, even though the folder belongs to the student, you have to assign it to student before they can see it. And you have a few options. You can allow the student to repeat the activities. You can even edit that worksheet or add it to another workbook, edit, delete, and so on, or just preview the assignment and so on. So that's so nice. I really like it. I enjoy it uh, this year. So if you want, explore it, play with it. And if you have any questions, send it to me through the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.